Right, 10 a.m. key open video. This is the first trade breakdown. Let's delete that. Clean things up. Right, so I want it to be bullish because you see that at this 10 a.m. high, there's no manipulation above this high. There's no wick at this candle. If you look at the 4 hour, it's just, oh shit. Bruh. Yeah, so it's not visible here, but this 4 hour candle had no wick on it. News opened, or it opened and we had news and it just dropped instantly. Zero wick, just a flat candle. Which then led me to believe, and this is where I probably had the wrong bias, we're going to manipulate down and then we're going to expand to the upside. This was a really good move up in my opinion. I wanted to get in on an earlier entry and target this 10 a.m. high, but I never really got one. Like, I'm not just gonna... I saw there was a setup. Let me just mark it out real quick. Because we swept a low. Was it this one? Why is it not working? There. Swept out that low. And then there was like a change in state of delivery entry right here, which was the first change in state of delivery on the 1 minute. But I didn't want to take it because of how bearish we were. Didn't want to really enter on 1 minute entry trigger at that point. So my entry was just, as soon as we came above 10 a.m., we closed above it pretty decently, and then we created an imbalance as well. I was like, okay, I wanted to see this imbalance get, because we came down in this imbalance, engineered liquidity above the key open, and then I wanted to soup it at first, but if you see my execution is like down here at like 44, so it's about 10 points lower than the actual key open, because I wanted this gap to get filled more than just CE. This whole move was just a no retracement move, and I didn't want to really get bad. I didn't want to get a bad entry on that. Like, I wanted at least OTE, right? So we had this 10 a.m. key open, we had OTE, we had this this gap fill of this 1 minute, and then the 1 minute order block right there. I think my entry was 2 ticks above the order block, or like a point, and then I targeted, let me mark up my trade. It was like right there. I targeted this high because this high was a 15-minute imbalance, but never actually got that far. I think yeah. So this is what happened. Edged my TP by like 5 points, 10 points. If you see on the 15-minute, you'll see the bro, Cole is stealing my M&Ms right now. He's giving me a fucking look. You'll see this 15-minute imbalance at that high. That's what I was targeting. I thought that was gonna hit, but if you go scale into the 30-minute time frame, you'll see that order block is what fucked me over. If I did everything, if I went back in time, I would probably do the exact same thing. So I'm not mad about that. Just how it is sometimes. You're gonna get edged and then you're gonna get stopped. This was obviously, I got stopped at break even. Trailed my stop as soon as we took this high. So yeah, pretty uneventful Friday, but it's whatever. I'll stop the executions in the channel, and yeah, we'll get back to it this week.